mpatroane
no asemu de mehwehwem
osofo ya asemu meti ya me say
Badu kobi ho akyere na ma yesi oton na
yesi oton asori na
oh how
yesi oton asori na me
na ban na wopa we
na ban na wopa we enim so no de NDC ni mapa
abusafo mamu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana Nsem TV so but one so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba also submit my cabin so watch your comment section see the money down if Mr. President say I be home from Mr. President I meje also na edin komo kama social media be bia Facebook TikTok Twitter YouTube ba bia comment section Mr. President meje also sa ni ato ko ebusia ene akabo me ye adwuma na busia mukai nyame ni pa efe ni Badu Kobi for whatever reasons some other people might have their own opinion about the man of God but still na me gidi say oyi nyame ni pa anyame nsa wono so ni mum biyo so oyi nyame ni pa oyi ni pa de sen ti bia to da obeye mi bia me mani anje ho na wo so wani nje ho but that doesn't disqualify him say onyi nyame ni pa but when me baby ma Badu me gidi say nyame nsa wono so you know by yin ni pa obi an entity of famu obi an experience owo obi an odo owo man yonko it's obviously the way e be behave no e be totally different na if we say or yeah rituals e ma NDC ba power e be sine allegations and alleged issues e call around say you John Dramani Mahama oyina ma and you see I want to use this story as a point to educate my dear NDC communicators, my dear NDC people. Yeah, but the only political party in the history of Ghana are so tolerant, are so clergy friendlier, the new patriotic party. Sabi, the found say payers man on payers. Once we are in power, the rest of the clergy will feel safe and sound and be able to express their point of view without any intimidation. And we've proven this over the years. Over the 32 years of active democracy, we've been protecting the men of God and the clergy for them to have their right to express their point of views. We've been doing this over the years. Nim DSC was such a German sentiment to Pina. As you see, I mean, look at the NDC for you, Badu Kobi mu, the Musha stories yet to the Nina. Media or Yaminipa. To me be singing to my buffet and a tabonting. It's a memoir kwa video no. Now so watch the what dream what they also say I was so wrong. If be no information be any. For to conversation e be befa. Me akasa fa ho. Me dem ase.
Badu Kobi
mpatroane
no asemu de mehwehwem
osofo ya asemu meti ya me say
Badu Kobi ho akyere na ma yesi oton na
yesi oton asori na
oh how
yesi oton asori na me
na ban na wopa we
na ban na wopa we enim so no de NDC ni mapa
asa ban no so ban mum de me hu so mo ne no wo bibia
wo bibia ye na ono nkasa kwa na se meti ne ho nsem kra che kakra meti na no kasa kra che kakra
papa interview so kra so
asa otwetwe ne ho se me se on se to sa na adwen no susu enye stadium betimi dia abayi nsem ha no ti no depression kakra na emu
na we source no free hin
source ne de ye Facebook ya ne bloggers
nipa ko no o design source no
nipa ko
o de source no because
okay deck 360 Ghana
ono so my exclusive spa
and Facebook also so crofo e post or bloggers be post wo but this particular one here deck 360 Ghana
because deck there meaning say oma
authentic
news yeah
and see yegu so me kan ye nti say ya alleged die ye hwe say ye be hu say no kra ye sofwe
na dey pa na be ba ye be freezing
account and ho no na ye dwen wan ye nti ase because Ghana ha no access ye de ye nsa to account na say bibi fishy bi so we chire because ye ntimi fit ye en freeze account why na freeze account if not government and I say bia you can say police for and company for it's not just say there is something fishy somewhere and I'm so yes ye de nsa to account so enti no eno na ye be hwehwe mu ehu de e wa asem no mu ampampa say ye prophecy ye hwe say nyame be ya adom na ye so yedu bebia na ono so atoka ache na enda kwa akoba ne say de na areho
we die
areho aka me den ka me pekes nka pere ndro ba
we die sad news
sad news
no crepa dia Baby papa will be on shedding. Me one number, my friend. Or no, Omo Mignano, na Mabusa said, the ATT and no crana, non tempana, you be. But this is the time I was saying no crash off one or so a bamwa. Nana Yas off one inqua, or more what bomb pay. Because he said that maybe San Francis. So on the cross on you. I'm pardon obey. Aye, because he says, sir, or more bomb home or day no so to be beside the chom. So all these people, this is the time they need to show him. I'm not on celebrity. Obia Kobio. Oh, Nungwa. Obia Kobi. Sure. Because I mean, him Shaba could you call. Oh, no, Sofo Pano. No. In Shaba could you? Oh, no, for Copa. I'm not for Copa. Sorry, pa. Celebrities near their park because someone say a more day. Papa and a bunny free muna and send some started set to na. Papa is one peckers as well. Yes, Semuna. And see me who had the ya. Anyway, many be moon, but I am ya, but and only as some more I will hold. And some their doors, one is some raining. Mamma far way from. Now, we know air quadia, my animal crying for. Okay. Now, yan in TSA as usual, said the amphibia.
I may talk, dear. Every 10 cities, sir. Nothing, Siano. A year. And to move back, it should be about 10 points. 10 pesos. It should be about 10 pesos. It shouldn't be about 12 cities. 2 years ago, now me turn 8 cities. Then me turn 12 cities. Meanwhile, so no. Yet your money, your dollar, I am based on the analogy. Say the rate at which the increasing. Say me call 2024, 23%. And no, if a Niama be increase, it's increasing at 23%. Which means a bona also be count. I say a content term. I could tell you, Niama, a digital so me a de to Niama Munina bafom. What is the basis? Basic thing. Say, I was a deal with your tomb. Petro, you the Lord fair at what me contact. Say the Lord fair to him. When you punish Niama, no, yeah, no. So, quack or faddy a quack or goony shop or the gookem. Car now the goom no car ni to petro. It was to petro ni ato petro mo or better Lord fame. And then yen to petro me yen Regr3t. That's right. Me boy. It is a me top pure water. Me top pure water 8 cities 2 years ago and now a year ago. Necessary time now not a inflation why your top petro 14 cities a liter. And then petro nam ebia 13 and 12. Now inflation am 23%. Not dollar nam 15 cities any other day. Na me to no crano na me to pure water a bag about 8 cities. Na say nyame ya dom dollar na free 14 cities and 15 cities about 11. Petrol no ate about 2 cities a free. Yes, inflation no ate by 20% point. Let's still here 2 pure water ni ma 12 cities here. What is the basis amode to sadi emanum? Still not PURC4 ebe catch say ECG. And Ghana Water Company Limited say, Yanto water bill mo, Yanto light bill mo. What is the basis? Mujina so, and they increase light bill and water bill. Because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited, at the dollar, any inflation rate, any policy rate, interest rate, na mudi jina so. Anyone say your money in our form. It is also for to start this question. Well, we stand out of ignorance. Yes, that's why I want to say legitimate question. Not ask out of ignorance.
Me patcho man kasa he ask out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word. Say ignorant. Me say man kasa me tell on my dear me can say me say my men are some na papa na some na can. That's what both people have been saying. And it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your way.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me, me say, asamuna okano, interest enema bo enkwosru.
But the
the can want it or the mapani can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation is above for ma, and can the rate at what things will be increasing, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can be cost like a Caribbean. It has also a trainer, Abian inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in the Quebec. Son of Moka said the rate at which things will be increasing, a better form. What you say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, dear me, Omaka, me, and I two Amanda make her say, a buying, say what the inflation about this number. And now you should say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, me boy. I mean, come catch say a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about me can say petrol above for me. Abano, they are trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go forward there? What you say? And I know some money I can say Pulican. Abba, Abama, and your man, a buff from oh, until the making. Me say, so I buy be all spoke against say, I was so no mushia. I'm on no mushia, but Nanka way my no. The furniture so more call a penny say a port wa. Nany man from Kaka. Yes, I don't make yes, but it's can your bono a bathroom. But you must say was a public air and a crime my no. Omoko funny man, but how much it is one? Abanu K0bi and other environment. But say individual entity near Maso, Aban K0bi petrol.
Is right.
So at the end of what I say, the pastor is asking, say, he's also asking a bit Argentina. Sanyama way in every no. Abana and David. Nasa wanting so for David. So the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5.
Yes.
Now so. And they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no, the rate at which a Nema increases.
Yes.
If a year 8 cities, the inflationary rate of 3.2%, I'm expecting about 8 cities 50 pesos.
I got 50 pesos, 30 pesos, 20
now
pesos.
it is 12 cities, which means on the basis of
yes.
Made it to the inflationary rate on the pure water, about 25%.
Yes.
And as I told you the mission, so 8 cities.
Yes.
Now inflationary rate at 3.2. Now if I could do 12, the inflationary rate, no, me want to say the increment, no, which things are increasing, no, I about 27 or 28%.
Yes.
It does not reflect the 3.2.
Exactly.
And notice there will be inflation about 3.2. I just say the inflation about 3.2. There was a name there was a name increasing.
Yes.
But at a decreasing rate, which is 3.2.
Yes.
But they are too just no. About 25%.
Yeah.
So people ask, then what is the problem?
Single digit.
Yes. Inflation about 2 single digits from 9 from last year. It has been consistent for almost 6 to 8 months. So we should see, say, there areas here.
Yeah.
It will cry insignificant. It should be like 8 cities 10 pesos. 8 cities 20 pesos. When you free 8 are copying 12. 4 cities. Come on.
If high-rise building and electricity consumption and also can we be near doomson, are we saying say we didn't put any plan in place for such occurrence? Because like I'm saying, it comes through a channel. And it's a dear, you need dear chida eba. It's your name, some machine say by your name, said definitely a baby, a juma say, a baby, say, and to your 20 a are we saying, say, we don't factor that aspect of a year, how do I even put it? Development, no, yeah, and fun,
and increase in
exactly, yeah, and fun, and now there's another argument of, you said, damn, no, I cost some more national. And in Amadum, so is that really the problem? Is that really the problem? Because you see, Ola Shenya ya say, ebi wa krobi wa was swase bibi ba besia. Anye ye kra wo phone, ping ping ping. Ye ball koko. Ye mouth that ye can say notification no. Ne bi a also de ayede, o de atoto ne ma ye. So yes, ye na ye jitu mu say Ghana we are developing. And I'm even sad that we are still having this conversation, but then it is what it is. But the least our leaders can do is at least carry us along. Let us know the real problems on the ground. Let us not, let me say, how a manner you're politicizing and affecting the average Ghanaian life. And no man you do baby I want because obiya the better politics. Obi ba obeka say we so ba obeka say hey ya buy what so ye say and that is how it is. And so we really never get a long lasting solution to problems that affect the livelihood of Ghanaians. And ola eya na eya sifim kakra. Now one of the things I mean solar panels dia and no so man kania. So me check here na me check kakra me ye say solar ye de ba man mu ni ade na tax e da so nye tax ketwa. Enti how are we sending a capacity no? And to me and generate the light na ebe to me as sustaining a this power outages no. And then ya journey who say be as our taxes so that solar so you bet to me as scrap yama major in that